Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will see how to achieve this effect in Grasshopper, this noisy surface that we can see that is changing using this simple slider. And it will come back to be a flat surface at the end. So this is the effect. Let me show how to achieve this effect. So we start from the boundary curve. We create a surface, this at the beginning flat surface with a boundary surface component. Then we are going to subdivide this surface into a grid of points. I use 32 as starting input for U and B. Then I'm going to move all these points in Z direction of 300. This is what I obtain, and then basically I'm going to random reduce these values, and then I replace these values that I have reduced. I insert into the list of moved point. Let me show how to do it. So I take the output P of subdivide, then I evaluate the length of the list with list length. So we have 1089 values inside. Then I create a series of from 0 to list length. Simply assign the C input from list length, then obtain this very long list, and then I'm going to reduce this list in order to have some reduced index. And so what I obtain is for example, if I put like a little number 28, if I say reduce the list of 28 number, at the end I will have a list here of 1089 values less 28 number. And if I take all these number using list item, at the end I will have the index of each reduced point. Basically I will take the starting list of points, and then I will replace this point with a list with 28 values coming from this list, so the moved one. This is the only logical passage to understand. So I select all the points of this list, but 28 come from this list. And how I decide how to which point have to be replaced, using this part of definition here. This part of definition here, and basically I worked with the index. So I create a list of index, I reduce this list of index, and I with reduction value I decide how many values have to be called for the list. Then I select the item that have been reduced, so the item without the 28 I called, and then I use and they were indexed, so I select only this index from the second list. So basically this is the result. If I move this slider, the reduced value increase. So for low value of this slider we have more point of the first grid. For higher values we have more point of the second list. I didn't explain you the last part. Let's do it. Once you have the point that are stored inside the list, then we can use this component that is coming from flexibility. That is a plugin that you can download from Food for Rhino, and this creates a surface coming from a grid of points. So you have to give in U and V the same values that you use to subdivide the surface. Then I only used a preview when I assigned a material that I already prepared in Grasshopper in Rhino. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and good work.